here at Buildrite, we do not only come up with a product, but we follow ASTM standards. No? According to ASTM C309, the standards for liquid membrane-forming curing compounds are the following. Number 1 is volatile content. The VOC should not be toxic and flammable. Number 2, water retention. Number 3, drying time, not more than 4 hours. Number 4, reflectance property. For type 2 white curing compounds, it should not be less than 60%. Number 5, film formation time. The film formation time of the curing compound should be less than 1 hour. And number 6, film thickness. It should be at least 0.6 mils. So ngayon, gumawa kami ng test, no, para ma-check namin kung sino ba mas maganda, ang CureSeal EB, si CureSeal WB ba, o yung standard. When we say standard, ito yung mga concrete na nilalagay natin sa water tank. Okay? So basically what we did, gumawa kami ng cube mold at chinek namin using CureSeal EB na meron, at meron ding WB, at meron ding untreated, and of course yung standard. Here at Buildrite, nakita nyo naman, using CureSeal, na-achieve mo ay more than 70%, it even got 85%, either using CureSeal WB or EB. At makikita mo rin sa chart, no, sa 14 days and 28 days na napaka-consistent ng using curing compound, na mas malapit talaga siya sa standard pag compared sa hindi mo ginamitan ng curing compound.